Okay, so you know what's underrated? Spending time in your backyard in the rain. We specialize in transforming that space under your deck into a completely dry haven. So you don't have to go inside just because the forecast changes. So if you have a raised deck and an awesome backyard, having an underdeck is a cheat code to getting to use that space, rain or shine, night or day, all year round. People often wonder, is an underdeck really worth it? Now, of course, we're gonna say yes, but don't take it from us. Let's hear from some of our happy customers.
At night, we can light this place up like you can be out here working and not know it was nighttime. It is absolutely fantastic.
Keeps the whole area underneath the deck usable. We can have nice furniture down there. It expands our living space.
Use it for lounging and entertainment and homework.
So it's versatile.
Yeah, very versatile, and it's been great.
I am in love with it. This is exactly what we needed. Couldn't have come at a better time with our big event. We had a wedding reception, so perfect timing with the storm and everything, so it kept us dry, and we enjoyed it tremendously. We got a lot of compliments on it as well.
So as you can see, we're not just giving you usable space, we're giving you beautiful space. So you can do the things you enjoy with the people you love. So is an underdeck worth it? I think the answer is clear.